Hi, this video is meant to show our 4K 60 input card to working on our modular video processor. So here's my settings. Basically, right now we can see this the front panel of the modular video processor, and on the back side we can check out. So the first input card is our 4K input card with two ports, HDMI or DP, but we only can use one port at a time. The second input card is the 4-port 1080p HDMI input, and this is the control card, and we're using the line control. And this is the output card side, and then we have the two 4-port 1080p HDMI output. We have these 4 ports are connected 2x2, and one port is connected to the single display. So basically, I'm going to have 2 video groups, and this one is for the preview. And then now we have the connections are connected. So for the 2 input source, and one is from the Mi player, which is a 4K 60 input, and the second one is a Apple TV box, which is a 1080p source. Okay, so now I'm just going to show how we use the PC software to do the configuration for the 4K input card, and also how to make like 2 video groups. Okay, so now here's the control software. We just double click and to run the software. So we just log in with the admin. Before we log in, and we just go to the settings, we need to choose the right NAT card, which is my PC IP address. Click setting, click OK, and then click the search icon here. Then we can find out the IP address of the controller. Click OK. Then you will just back to the this page. Then we can enter the password admin. Click to login. So when we log in, and then we can see, well, actually I already have like the video set up, but I will just start from the beginning. Okay, so basically if you want to make 2 video groups, like right now 1 to the second video. Okay, so we'll just go to the first video, and we can see here we can see we have like 2 video, but if we didn't have this option, then we need to type the hidden password admin. So here you will be just showing out like the video number. So we can set up like, if we have 3 video, then we can just set up like 3. It can up to 4 video groups. So here I'm just going to set up as 2. So the first video I'm going to have this one is 2x2. So start channel 1 and 2x2. And we have the preview function, maximum 4 windows per screen. Okay, so the second video, I'm going to have only 1 screen, but the start channel will be 617, just because for the first video we have 4 screens. Each screen we can open up to 4 windows. So for these second video, and the start channel will be from 17, and also create, then modify MCU. Okay, switch onto, now can click this window, and now we can see we have the input, and we also can set up like the input here, because right now we have like 2 input card. One is the 4K, and one another card is the 4-port input. So basically we need to set up the channel as 8 and create. Okay, we can just showing up create. So we have 4 channels, but for the channel 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, the first card we actually have in the 4K card, right? It's the 4K card. So for the first channel, for the channel 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to set as the card type is DP or HDMI 1.4, and for channel 5 to 8 is going to be the 1080p, and the card type is the min and HDMI. Click confirm. Okay, so this is how we have the input set up. And this is for the video 2. We can just close and go to the operation. We also can check out on the video 1 as well. Okay, so now we're going to set up like the preview function. And click search and find the preview card, double click, and then we just click setting, and then sub channel 1, we'll just drag the source, enable, and drag the source to the sub channel here, click apply, then the sub channel 2, enable, 5, 6, 7, 8. Apply. Clear this window now. So now we can just go to the operation and we can just preview the video first. Preview function. Okay. So we can see the input channel 1, 2, 3, 4 is actually the 4K input card. Just because the 4K input card will take like 4 channels, each channel is 1080p. So on this 2x2 video, we can check it out. We have it showing up like right now. So the input resolution is 4K 60 Hz. And we can just clear the window. We also can just like make the 4K source in one screen. So we need to do is we can just go back to source. Okay, channel 2, channel 3, and channel 4. Okay, just make. So we can just double click and to have the window adapt with the window. Right, this is how we make a 4K showing on one screen. This is also the difference between one screen open 4 window or 2 window. If we only can open 2 window, then we cannot have a 4K source showing up in a one screen. But if we have this processor can support the 4 window, then we can have the 4K source showing up in one screen. Okay, so right now if you want to make a pixel-to-pixel display, that means like on the first screen we're just showing up like right now. Because we have like 4 1080p input channel showing out like 4 displays. That means a pixel-to-pixel display. So we can go to the second video, which is the single monitor. We also can do the same. We just drag one of the input source, which is 1080p. We can also just preview the input source, right? Okay, we can just clear the window. Now I'm just going to make the 4K input source showing up on this single monitor. Channel 2, channel 3, and channel 4. Right, this is the 4K source, but showing only one display. Okay, so basically this is about the 4K input card. But for the 4K input card, we have like one small notice. Operation note is that if we didn't get the 4K resolution, we need to click one of the input channel, use the right click, then we have the input ADID. So we can select as the 4K 60 or 4K 30. Once we select it, then we just click right. Then we can hear the beep sound also meantime, and the screen will be just turned off. And also have pop up a window. ADI write successfully. Please plug and unplug the source to re-identify. Click OK. We can clear this window. Then we can just unplug this input source of the 4K input source, and then plug it back. Then we just wait until it's coming back, and then we can check out the resolution. Right, we still can choose as 4K 60 Hz or 50 Hz, and either one, 4K 60 Hz. Okay, so this is how we set up the 4K input card to working on the modular video processor. Thank you.